Hello and welcome back to Gentle Herb Living, where we grow smarter, not harder. If you've ever bought a bundle of herbs from the grocery store and thought, I wish I didn't have to keep buying this, you're in for a treat. Today we're talking about 7 amazing grocery store herbs you can regrow forever, right from your windowsill. No garden? No problem. Just a jar, some water or soil, and a bit of sunshine. Let's start with the easiest wingreen onions. Take the white root end, place it in a glass with water and set it near sunlight. In just days you'll see new green shoots. Trim and use them as needed and they'll keep growing back. Alright, next up is basil. Just clip a stem about 4 to 6 inches long, then remove the bottom leaves and pop it in some water. Remember to change the water every few days, and once the roots are about 2 inches long, you can transfer it to a small pot with soil. And there you have it, an endless basil supply, really. Mint is honestly one of the easiest herbs to propagate. All you need are some fresh, healthy stems from the shop, trim just below a node, and place them in water. Once they've rooted, just transfer them to soil. But be warned, mint spreads fast, so it's absolutely perfect for containers. Now, with cilantro, regrowing from the stems can be a bit hit or miss, but if you buy it with roots attached, you're in luck. Give the roots a rinse and plant them directly in soil. Keep it well watered and in partial sun, then just watch it come back to life. Rosemary, it does take a bit more patience. But let me tell you, it's absolutely worth it in the end. So what you'll want to do is snip a stem about 4 to 6 inches long from some fresh rosemary, then strip those bottom leaves and soak the stem in water. Now here's where the patience comes in. It may take 2 to 3 weeks for it to root, but once it does, you can plant it in some well-draining soil and give it a nice spot in full sun. Now, let's talk about thyme, which is quite the low-maintenance windowsill hero. Start by taking a fresh sprig, trim the bottom and pop it into some water. Once you see those roots, it's time to move it into a small pot with sandy, well-draining soil. Just keep it in a sunny, dry spot because thyme really doesn't like soggy roots. Yes, lemongrass, you can regrow it from those stalks you buy at the store. Just stand them in water, and within a week or two, roots and new shoots will form. Pot them up in soil, and you've got a fragrant, mosquito-repelling powerhouse. Place your jars or pots in a sunny window, at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight per day. If you're using water propagation, change the water every 2 to 3 days to avoid rot. Once roots are healthy, transplant into soil to encourage long-term growth. These herbs don't just save money, they're fresher, more flavorful, and right at your fingertips. Whether you're cooking or just enjoying the greenery, this is the kind of gardening anyone can do. Yes, even in a tiny apartment. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more practical gardening tips, and share your windowsill herb stories in the comments. Until next time, keep it simple, sustainable, and always growing.